Hey, Sean here. In this video, I'll show you how to use your watch list. So if you go down to watch list, I actually have a few created here. I'll actually click on mine and you can see my stocks loading right here. And I'll show you how to add stocks to it in a second. But essentially what the watch list does is I call it the set it and forget it feature. So if you add a stock to a watch list, if anything changes on your watch list, such as that summary, score, or margin of safety, you will be notified within your daily email. It's probably my favorite feature. I can just add stocks to this if something changes. I don't have to worry about it. The platform will notify me. Now, you have a few options on how to add stocks to your watch list. You can go right to a watch list and you can click Asset and you can add a list of stocks with CSV import, or you can do it manually. So let's click on Manual. So let's add a stock I haven't added before. We'll just use Walmart, for example, and type it in the box, click Add Asset. There you go. That stock has been added to your watch list successfully. All right, and then let's do this. Let's go ahead and create a new watch list. You can see the new watch list, little button here. It's a little plus sign. Click that. You can select what type of watch list you want to create. You can do a stock watch list, ETF, or crypto. Let's just go stock. We'll say, we'll just call this test one. Click save. And in this case, you'll have a blank watch list and you'll see this little blue button, add asset, right in the middle. You can click that, and same process here. You can do a CSV or manual, and it'll bring up that same screen we brought up before. So there you go. That's how you add watch list and add stocks to that watch list.